Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5 has a black screen when turned on, you are not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, such as a malfunctioning display, a faulty connection, or even issues with the motherboard. If left unresolved, it can lead to further damage, making the repair process more complicated and costly. To begin the repair, you'll need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement screen for the Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. Ensure you have a clean workspace and that the device is powered off before you start. First, gently turn the laptop upside down and locate the screws that secure the back cover. You will need to carefully remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back cover. Take your time here to avoid damaging the delicate clips. With the back cover off, locate the display connector, which is typically situated near the hinge. You will notice a cable running from the screen to the motherboard. Disconnect this cable by gently lifting the connector using the spudger. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, locate the screws that hold the screen in place. There should be a few on either side of the display. Carefully remove these screws, again ensuring you keep them safe. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen from its position and disconnect it from the other end of the cable. Replace the old screen with the new one by connecting it to the cable, making sure it is secure. Reattach the screen by screwing it back into place. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws, as this could damage the screen or the hinges. After securing the display, reconnect the cable to the motherboard. Replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier to secure the cover. Finally, power on your device to check if the screen is functioning correctly. If everything works as it should, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your Lenovo Ideapad Slim 5. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure your device is kept in a safe environment, avoid placing excessive pressure on the screen, and regularly check for software updates that might affect the display. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.